Hey guys! Good morning! So for today's video, we are traveling to Sitio Gitli, Lubas, boundary of Tawang, La Trinidad, Benguet. So this is a lot project property by VTW, Baguio City's #1 realty. So bago ang lahat guys, syempre makakasama ko din ngayon ang mga ahente from VTW na si Sir Flor at si Sir Rexon. At bago ang lahat guys, so ayan, papasok na tayo dito sa subdivision. Welcome to BBCCC Lubas Subdivision. Ayan, so let's go guys. Isasama ko kayo sa aking site tripping with one of my private client. Isa ito sa napakagaling na architect at pinag-uusapan ng mga artista at social media influencers. Reactor siya sa mga bahay ng mga sikat na artista. At isa lamang sa mga design niya ay ang dream house ni Will Dasovich at niredesign niya ang bahay ni Kong TV. Welcoming architect Lian Oliver Austria with 2.39 million subscribers on YT. You may check his YouTube channel because surely na madami kayong matututunan and makukuhang ideas lalo na sa mga nagpapagawa ng bahay and sa mga future dream house ninyo.
Sa taas po kayo, sir, eh.
As I introduce to you, lot for sale, Sitio Gitli, Lubas, Tawang Ambyong, La Trinidad, Benguet. A place where you can build your own future family house. 10,000 to 12,000 per square meter for entry-exit access road via Ambyong, Pines Park, Tawang or Shilan, and Lamot Bickel. The strength of this property is clean titled with road right-of-way each lot, cemented main road, 6 meters wide, very strong soil foundation, can possibly build 10-story, and overlooking view of Baguio City and La Trinidad, Benguet. This property is almost 90% sold out. So, syempre, hindi natin nakalimutang mag-selfie with Sir Oliver Austria. Pero pagpasensya nyo na kasi sobrang haggard ko talaga dahil pangatlong tripping ko na to today at pangatlong bundok din ang inakyat natin. Pagtsagaan nyo na lang, ilalagay ko na lang sa dulo. Thank you everyone for joining me in this video. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell below para notified ka sa aking upcoming videos. Enjoy watching. God bless and Godspeed.